if a is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to 1 upon x, and b is equal to where x belongs to r, and b is equal to x comma y such that y is equal to minus x where x belongs to r, then write a intersection b. So a is equal to the set of ordered pairs x comma y such that y is equal to 1 upon x where x is not equals to 0 and x is a real number considered, and set b is given x comma y, it is also set of ordered pairs such that y is equal to minus x where x is not equal, where x belongs to real numbers. So intersection is nothing but the common part of this both. So solving these two equations like y is equal to 1 upon x, solving y is equal to 1 upon x and y is equal to minus x. So we can write here, which implies 1 upon x is equal to minus x, or we can say x square or minus x square is equal to 1, or x square is equal to minus 1. But this is not possible. This is not possible since for any real value, for any x belongs to R, x square is always greater than or equals to 0. So it cannot be negative. So it's a non-negative value. So you'll get, so for x square is equal to 1 minus 1 means there is no value of x possible for this. So and hence we can say that their intersection of these two sets, there is no common. So their intersection can be taken as empty. And also through graphically we can also verify this. Y is equal to 1 upon x graph, if we can see, since y is equal to 1 upon x or x is equal to 1 upon y, as x tends to 0, 1 upon x tends to infinity, as x tends to 0, 1 upon x tends to infinity, and again as y tends to 0, 1 upon x tends to infinity. So the graph can be taken like this. This is how the graph you can check by taking some values. For x is equal to 0 is not defined, and for x is equal to 1 it will be getting 1, and for x is equal to 2 it is 0. For x is equal to 3, 1 upon 3, and so on, means it's a decreasing. And again when x is equal to 0.5 it can be taken 5, when x is equal to 0.1 it is a 1 by 10, it's a 10, it's increasing here. And similarly from the negative side also you can consider. So this is how the graph comes. And the next part, this is a set A, this is set A graph, and set B given y is equal to minus x. You know y is equal to x is passing through origin, and y is equal to minus x is passing through the first quadrant, second quadrant and fourth quadrant. So we can consider the graph. So this is how the line y is equal to minus x passes through. So clearly we can say that this line will not cut the set A graph. So we can just come to a conclusion that their intersection is empty. So as the line y is equal to minus x will not intersect the graph x is equal to 1 upon y or y is equal to 1 upon x, so that we can consider that their intersection is empty. Okay, right, thank you.